Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now. Today we will show you how to make Goa's favorite mushroom bhaji. Step 1. Preparing the ingredients. Place a lime-sized ball of tamarind in a bowl and add half cup of warm water. Let it soak for 15 minutes. You will also need 3/4 cup of freshly grated coconut, 1 medium-sized sliced onion. This onion will be used for roasting along with other ingredients. You will also need 1/2-inch piece of ginger and 8 cloves of garlic. Cut the ginger and garlic into small pieces. Take 1 medium-sized onion which is finely cut. This onion will be used while making the gravy in step number 7. Step 2. Preparing the spices. Take 4 to 5 spicy red button chilies. These are very spicy. You can also use other type of chilies but reduce the quantity depending on how spicy you prefer to make it. 1/2 teaspoon of cumin or jeera seeds, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1/2 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1/2 teaspoon of fennel seeds, also called badi shape or sauf, 1 teaspoon of poppy seeds, which is also called kaskas. Take 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, that is haldi powder, 1/8 inch piece of nutmeg, which is a very small piece, 4 petals of star anise, 6 black peppercorns, 4 cloves, 1 green cardamom, a small piece of mace, 1/2-inch piece of cinnamon stick. Step 3. Roasting the spices. Place a wide open, heavy bottom pan on low heat. Once the pan is hot, put all the spices mentioned earlier into the pan and dry roast the spices except for the turmeric powder and poppy seeds. This will be added later. Roast them on low heat to avoid burning the spices. Roast them for around 2 minutes or until the color changes slightly and you start to get a nice aroma. After around 2 minutes, add the poppy seeds and roast for around 1 minute. Be careful not to burn them. Once done, remove and keep aside to cool. Step 4. Roasting the ingredients. In the same pan, on medium-low heat, add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil or regular cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add garlic and stir. After a minute, add the ginger and stir it nicely. After a minute or 2, add the sliced onion and stir it properly. Stir frequently to prevent burning. Fry until the color of the onions turn light brown. Once the onions turn light brown in color, remove and keep them aside to cool. In the same pan, on medium-low heat, add the grated coconut. Add some oil if the pan is dry. Stir frequently to prevent burning. Fry until the grated coconut turns brown, but do not burn it. Once the coconut turns brown, remove and keep aside to cool. Step 5. Preparing the mushrooms. Take 200 grams of mushrooms. Wash them thoroughly. Remove the dirt if any. Peel the outer skin from each mushroom. You need to remove the skin from the mushrooms as it contains a lot of dirt. Once the mushrooms are peeled, slice them properly. Number of slices will entirely depend on the size of the mushroom. The bigger mushrooms will have more slices. Don't cut the slices too thin. Step 6. Grinding the ingredients. Once the roasted ingredients have cooled down, you will need to add them in a mixer grinder. Add the roasted onion mixture. Add the roasted spices. Add the turmeric or haldi powder. Add the tamarind with its water. Add the roasted coconut. Add half a cup of water and grind to a smooth paste. Please note that while grinding, you may need to add a little extra water if required, but add it little at a time and keep checking the consistency of the masala. The masala should be thick and not watery. We ended up adding half cup extra water while grinding. Your ground masala is ready. Step 7. Preparing the mushroom bhaji. Place a thick bottom pan on medium heat and add 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add the finely cut onion. Stir frequently to prevent burning.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Once the onion turns translucent, add the sliced mushrooms and stir it nicely. Cover and cook for some time. Once the mushrooms change its color or have released its water, add 1 teaspoon of salt and stir.
If you found this recipe interesting, do press the like button and share your feedback in the comment section below.
Now add the ground paste and stir. Mix everything well. Since this is a thick masala with very less water content, you need to stir it frequently to prevent the masala from sticking to the bottom or sides of the pan. If you use Kashmiri chilies, the color of the Xacuti will be orange instead of brownish yellow. If you want to make this dish using ready-made Goan Xacuti masala powder, skip step 2 and 3 and instead of adding the roasted whole spices in step 6 while grinding, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of Goan Xacuti masala powder. Check for spice and add more Xacuti masala powder if required. Use around quarter cup of water for rinsing the ground paste in the mixer and add it in the pan. Mix everything properly. Cover and cook for some time. Curry should not be too thick nor too watery. Check the consistency and add half cup of water. Add a little water whenever you see the masala becoming dry and sticking to the pan. Add half teaspoon of salt if required. Cover and cook again for 3 to 4 minutes. Give it a good boil and then check for salt and add if required. Garnish with finely cut coriander or cilantro leaves and mix everything properly. Your mushroom bhaji is ready. Serve the mushroom bhaji hot with bread, puris, chapatis or rice. If you have any questions or feedback, please write to us in the comment section. Do let us know if you liked this video and see you soon with another interesting Goan recipe.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.